Hey friends, it's Alvin, the worship minister in FRCC. We're so excited to welcome you to join our first prophetic worship workshop in our Pure Conference in December. And it's not just a normal workshop, it's a time for us to dive deep in the Spirit and to experience God. While we believe that in the end times, God has given us one of the most powerful weapons that can shift atmosphere, that can tear down strongholds, that is worship. And not just worship, I'm talking about prophetic worship. So worship, it's not just about singing songs, but it's about hearing Him, hearing His heartbeat, joining with the Spirit of God to enter into the realms of supernatural. It wouldn't be a workshop without hands-on fun, right? So we've designed games, activities to activate that prophetic spirit inside of you. Come, get ready to dive in and try new things. So if you're part of the worship team, or if you're involved in worship service in any way, or you just feel a deep call into the worship ministry, I'd like to invite you to join us this time in December. Let us make worship more than a song. Let us experience the heart of God